model, 2019 plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Blue 2.0 Hdi Luton low loader box van VAT inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116,007. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job, engine clutch, and gearbox are fine. Still can start and drive, but the turbo has definitely gone and burning oil, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area